What I'd like to do now is to show you a different client. So let's have a look at Gary Styles' entry. The reason why I want to look at Gary's is because we've already got several weeks of data collected for Gary's, so we can have a bit of a look to see how it changes once there's actually data which has been entered. One of the first things we can do by clicking on shifts, for each of the shifts that we have created, we're going to see a list of all of the shift reports, the date, the staff name, and if we click through on this list, this will take us to look at the data directly there. We can also do a similar thing by looking at the forms. So we have community access. Here is a list of all of the community access forms that have been completed for Gary. Here we have all of the different data fields. If we go there, we can look at the form itself. And if we go there, we can look at the specific shift where that form is saved. What we can also do on the forms page as well is click on the export as CSV button. That's going to export all of this raw data into a CSV file that we can save and upload into a PowerPoint where we can edit it and analyze that data as much as we want. Also, if we go on the main page, one of the handy features, we can see all of the reports that have been completed, and we can easily see the ones that are missing too. If I just click on where it says missing, we have one missing for the day shift on June 10. If I click directly on that, it's going to take me to a shift form where the day form and shift 10 has already been handily completed for us. So we just have to select our staff name there. You'll also notice on the night shift on June 14, it's missing as well. This one missing is white. This one missing is red. I just wanted to explain why that is. The reason why this is white is because this is for today. As I'm filming, it is June 14. And so yes, this is missing, but it's probably just because that shift hasn't finished yet. So I wanted to make it clear that it is missing, but it's not late yet necessarily. I just wanted to explain that. There's another handy feature we can do, which is rather than reviewing all of this, we can click on here to list all of the missing shift reports, and that June 10 report is there now. This is also how we can send a reminder for this information to the staff member who worked that shift by clicking, as you may have guessed it, send reminder. We select the staff name. If the staff member's email is not already entered into the system, you can manually edit it there. You will also be CC'd to this email yourself. If you don't want to be CC'd, you can remove yourself. And all other users who have master access to Gary, their email addresses will automatically be entered in this CC box as well. But again, you can remove that manually if you want to. And manually created email is already written here. Once again, you can edit this if you wish, but I usually don't. When the email is sent, it's going to replace this text with the staff member's name. So it's not going to say, hi staff member, it's going to say, hi Blaine Malik. Down here, I just reviewed the shift for Gary. There's a missing shift for Tuesday, the day shift. Could you please complete it? Here where it says link, this is going to be replaced with an actual link which will take them directly to the day shift for Tuesday, June the 10th. Once I click on go. And here it's automatically populated because it knows my email is PBS. At Eddie Drury, it's taken out PBS there. It's assumed that that is my name and put it there. Let's click on send. That email has gone through to Malik now. And what I can also see here is I can see when the last email reminder was sent to Blaine Malik, and I can see how many total reminders have been sent to Blaine Malik for this specific shift. So this is going to list on this page, list all missing shift reports. It's going to list all of the missing and incomplete shift reports. Sometimes there's going to be a good reason why that data is missing, or sometimes so much time has passed that you're simply not going to get any good data anymore. And so rather than have this entry, for example, stay polluting this list forever, what I can do simply here is just click remove from this list. The data has still not been collected, but it's not going to be populated in this list anymore.